Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how to transfer money from Bankmobile to Cash App. Now it's actually really easy and simple. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to actually link your Bankmobile to Cash App. So first open the Cash App on your mobile device and just tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Okay, and then what you want to do is select linked banks and tap on link bank and just follow the prompts to connect your bank mobile account by entering the necessary credentials, guys. And then what you want to do is once you actually linked this, okay, once linked, Cash App might actually require verification. So you want to check your bank mobile account for small test deposits from Cash App. Just enter the exact amounts into Cash App to actually complete the verification process. And then, guys, after verification, what you want to do is you want to return to the Cash App home screen. Just tap on your balance and select Add Cash and choose the amount you actually want to transfer from a bank mobile, okay? And then just review the amount, guys, and ensure that you're actually transferring from your linked bank mobile account. Just tap add to initiate the transfer, and Cash App will process the transaction, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days, guys. And then if you want, guys, also you can also use the instant transfer option. Basically, guys, if you need your funds instantly, immediately, Cash App actually offers an instant transfer option for a small fee. What you can do is simply select this option when confirming the transfer. Anyways, guys, it isn't that easy. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please be sure to smash the like button. And until next time, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys next time.